Guys, so I've made the large decision on my channel that today is the day when I start posting daily videos. Like today I post, tomorrow, after tomorrow, so yeah, like that. Every day now I'll post. Short skipping days, like always. Post, skip day, post. Yeah, but videos forever. And today, guys, we're going to be playing Slime RNG. Let's go ahead and join the game. Unfortunately, nope, we're not going to be playing. This is my account. Huge Orca is my best one. 1,700,000. I'm about to unlock Canyon. So yeah. Rebirth. You have 4 rebirths. And 1,400 rolls. 144 extra. Anyways, let's start rolling. Hopefully we get something good. Also, I want to unlock this new area today. Let's hide it up there. Bonus! I do not want to be seeing any teasers. Brutus. These are all the upgrades. 4x? Dang it. These are all the upgrades I have. And I have every slime. I have a shiny, huge, big, and inverted slime. So yeah, I have every type of slime. And I'm gonna probably be slaving up for more luck, because that's what I mainly need. Okay, let's see. Also, by the way, for those who don't know, inside of this mini place I found the recipe. So yeah. I actually don't know what to do with recipes, so if any of you are pros at Slime RNG, could you please tell me like what to do? Golden roll, and in 11 rolls I'm having my diamond roll. What is that? Wait, what's that? What? 2x, come on. 4x. Oh, big axolotl. IDK, I didn't have a animation for him, but it's good for me. 2x, dang it. I once got a like 64x. Now we're gonna turn it on because soon it's gonna be the diamond roll. And yeah, I'm excited for the diamond roll. It's every 100 rolls. Big spike right there. Golden, yeah, this golden, and this should be diamond. This after this one. Diamond roll. Bruh. Why was I even excited, man? Okay, let's hide it up there. I'm gonna be walking around the map. I'ma sit up here. I'm a monkey, guys, now. You're watching a monkey, guys. I've been a light now. I'm a monkey. I'ma sit on this tree for now. I like this tree. I'm a monkey. 4x. I swear. I swear if this game. Oh, big cool. Never mind, I can't click it. 2x. Next time. Game, could you please give me something good? I want a good fruit. Why did I say fruit? Oh, I forgot that I had lightning fruit in my book. Lightning substance. 2x. 4x. Oh! Fruit. I have fruit again. Lightning fruit. Wait, do I prefer? I think I need it for my guy Pondy. Not for Pondy. Backpack. Bonus. Okay, at least they didn't tease me, man. Teasers are the worst in the world. Wait. Oh, someone shocked him. Where do I get the fruits again? Open loot. Where is fruit? I want fruit. Wait, where do I actually find fruits? Oh, I think backpack. Yeah, I have 2 lightning fruits. Feed and 1 more feed. Wait. What? What? Oh, I get it now. I get it. So I have to have 3 lightning fruits and it feeds immediately. I get it now. Bonus teas. Why did I want to say bonus teas? I didn't even get teas. Wait, let's watch. Maybe watching will what? I hate this. Leafy, if you're watching this, could you give me something good? Oh. Nah, I thought he was watching right now. Mushy. 2 flow. Bonus. No teas, no nothing. Just bonus. Oh, 8x. My luck sucks. My mom was gonna break in the door because I'm screaming too loud. I don't care. I don't care. Bonus. I'm sad. You made me sad. Not you guys. The game did. 2x. 4x. I swear my iPad is about to go flying out the window on its first airplane flight, but without a floor. 2. Wow, man, Brutus. I raged on my plushie. 2x, 4x, 8x. There was so much. The game hates me, man. I mean, I knew that. My friend Angelo told me my luck sucks. The game is not gonna bless me. Oh, 2 floor. Wait, how about we try Compton? Wait. Nonchalant tin. Oh. Wait, does that go on? Yes, it does. Oh, I have one of those. Wait, can't you equip? Oh. So Frankenstein does more damage. I didn't know that. Anyways, let's start rolling again. Nonchalant tinny. Just watching what happens. I can't, man. What? I cannot be nonchalant. Too hard. Nobody taught me to be nonchalant. Why does this have to be so hard? Should I chug in a can? Oh! Oh! Sucks! Why can't they give me something good? It's not that hard. Wow! Orca, brilliant! Bonus. At least they didn't tease me. I'm just walking on the moon. Brutus. Wow, man. Brutus is so good for me. Definitely makes my best thing. I'm leaving my family. I want to get a Bemmy. 2 floor orca. Wow. Would I even get them all? What's my most gotten slime? Aegis! Let's go! Yep, he makes my team. Wait. 2 floor 8. Yeah, the game hates me. Obviously. Wait, how much workers? Oh, I didn't get workers. Oh yeah, of course, Brutus. And again, man! Wow! Wow, yeah. Awesome. Awesome, just wow. I mean, obviously, what do I expect? Brutus is my most gotten slime. I mean, Frankenstein also is. Again, Brutus! If I said it's my most gotten slime, doesn't mean you have to give me. Oh, yes, let's go. I can rebound. Bang. Oh. Big spike. 2x. I'm just gonna stay nonchalant and chill. Okay, let's see how that works. Oh, diamond roll soon. Oh! Oh! What? What the hell? Damn! Damn, man! Damn! Sorry if I broke your ears, guys. That's just so good. Damn, let's go, man! Guys, sorry if I destroyed your ears. I'm just too happy because I'm you. Oh! Aegis, let's go! I'm Korean. Let's go! Wait, give him food. Wait, give him food. Wait. Need to give him some food. Actually, auto roll and hide. You're getting fed, man. I swear he will never be hungry in his life. I only have egg. I'm feeding him egg. Level 2. And some fries. Yeah, eat. You need to be chubby. He needs to become chubby. Feed him. Feed. Perfect. Oh, damn. Bonus. I want bonus. I haven't gotten that in like 600 rolls. Man. Sucks. But man, I'm happy because of that Jupiter guy. My mouth hurts. I'm already sick and my mouth hurts. Now plus screaming. I mean worth it. Wait. Oh, please. Are they like trying to do master trade with me? I scream and they give me something good. Wait, let's try it. Or if they're trying to trade with me. I scream. Guys, if what lower the sound of your devices because it's about to be a little loud in here. Warning, I'm gonna scream in 3, 2, 1. Ah! Let's see if I get some. Okay, going up, good. That's not good. What's that? Go ahead, Bimbo. I'm about to break my iPad. It's about to fly out the window. Welcome passengers on board. Today our flight is from the 6th floor down to the bottom of the building. All passengers who enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now you're about to get flying. Bye!